555 consecutive days, we have found a true genuine four-leaf clover. Trifolium repens, the white clover mutation only. No red clover, and definitely no wood sorrel, because unfortunately that would get us disqualified for consecutive days. I didn't make the rules, I just follow them. With that being said, let's go find day 556 of the four-leaf clover day. Come on! Well, we did it. And when I say we, I mean we, because without you, there would be no me. Thanks for being here. It is day 556 of the four-leaf clover the day.